Hi, my name is Ted Byrd and I'm a Senior Technical Marketing Engineer here at F5. Let me show you how to quickly and easily apply Fast ACLs to your F5 Distributed Cloud service to protect your applications from DDoS attacks. DDoS architectures have multiple layers in order to protect applications. In the F5 Distributed Cloud, we use ACLs that include rate limiting in the very early stages of the data path to form the first line of defense against attacks. Some of the typical use cases are rate limiting traffic to a destination and accepting or denying traffic from certain source IPs to the destination. These rules are evaluated for each packet coming into the system, ingress, unlike session-based ACLs where action is calculated only on first packet in the session. This gives you the ability to fine-tune your DDoS strategy based on your network infrastructure and application performance. Now let's get started. First, we're going to log into your Distributed Cloud console. Select Cloud and Edge Sites. We're going to navigate down the left pane to Manage, Firewall, and select Fast ACL. At the very top, click Add Fast ACL. As always, enter the normal metadata, name, label, and description. Next is what sets F5's Distributed Cloud services apart. Under Fast ACL type, you have two options. This can be applied at the F5 Distributed Cloud Regional Edge, which is the F5 supported software as a service backbone, or your own customer edge for apps deployed locally with F5's Distributed Cloud service nodes. For this video, I will cover the customer edge scenario, as you have more granularity and control. So go ahead and select Configure. You have several options of the network and IP destination. Next, you configure the source. Give your rule a name, an action. Here we're just a allow or drop. Which ports you want to indicate and which source network. Design the rules to only allow the traffic needed to support your application. That is all that is needed for the ACL and rules part. Next, we will move on to Protocol Policer. Protocol Policer is where you identify what protocols and flags you will apply the policer to. Next, we'll create a policer. The policer is where we do the rate limiting. As usual, name, label, and description. Mode, shared or not shared. Shared are good for system-wide policies. Not shared gives you the granular control per application if you need it. You add the committed rate and burst rate in packets per second. And that's all the configuration needed to set up Fast ACLs with rate limiting. Beyond the scope of this video is the building of the network firewall and the concept of fleets. But in most scenarios, it will already be in place if you have the customer edge built out. To finalize what you just built, you apply the Fast ACL to the firewall and assign it to a fleet. That is how quickly you have configured a Fast ACL and protected yourself from DDoS attacks. Thanks for watching.